Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding attachments in a long Outlook email chain is a common headache for many professionals. When a single conversation has dozens of replies, the specific files you need often get buried deep within the history. To find them quickly, start by looking at your main inbox list. A small paperclip icon next to the subject line indicates that at least one message in that specific chain contains a file. If you are currently using the conversation view, click the small white arrow to the left of the sender's name. This action expands every individual email and reply within that entire thread. Carefully scan the expanded list for the paperclip icon located next to specific dates or names. Once you click on the correct individual message, look directly below the subject line in the main reading pane. The attachment will be listed there as a clearly visible clickable tile. If the chain is far too long to scroll through manually, use the search bar at the top of the window. Click inside the search box and select the Has Attachments button from the Refine menu. You can also manually type the command Has Attachments Yes, followed by a keyword from the subject line. This instantly filters out all messages that do not contain files. For those using Outlook on the web, look at the left-hand side menu and click the Files icon. This opens a dedicated dashboard showing every attachment you have received recently. You can sort these by date or sender to find your document in seconds. These simple steps ensure you never lose a spreadsheet or PDF.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.